Everyone wants a longer battery life, but most people are still following old school battery rules that don't even apply to modern Samsung phones. Today, I am exposing the top myths that are secretly ruining your battery. Myth 1. You should fully drain your battery before charging. Wrong. Modern Samsung batteries don't like being drained all the way. It actually puts more stress on them. Myth 2. Overnight charging will kill your battery. Samsung has a smart feature called Protect Battery that help limit charging stress so you can safely leave it plugged in. Myth 3. Closing apps saves battery life. No, constantly reopening the apps uses up more power than leaving them in the background. Myth 4. All third-party chargers are dangerous. Only cheap, uncertified ones are risky. Certified fast chargers are perfectly safe for your Samsung. Myth 5. Dark mode doesn't save power. On AMOLED screen like Samsung, it absolutely does. Every dark pixel saves energy. So next time you hear these myths, you will know the truth. Treat your Samsung the right way and your battery will thank you. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and share it with someone who still believes these myths.